Universal Leaf Tabacos is one of the largest tobacco exporters in Brazil. Universal Leaf Tabacos is located in southern Brazil, in one of the most developed and industrialized regions of the country, close to major commercial and industrial centers, generating about 120,000 direct and indirect employment and income opportunities. Taking its product to all 5 continents, Universal Leaf Tabacos generates income for the country and projects Brazilian tobacco internationally. Its entire production chain is certified by International Quality Management ISO 9001 and Environmental Management System ISO 14001, developed by the International Organization for Standardization. The company also plays an important social role, generating over 600 permanent jobs, in addition to approximately 3,000 seasonal jobs to process each crop. In the field, Universal Leaf Tabacos provides technical assistance to more than 30,000 farmers and guidelines for them to grow tobacco in the volumes and quantities demanded by our customers. The company supplies Virginia conventional and organic, Burley, Maryland, and Brazilian Galpão tobaccos. To ensure that customers receive a high-quality product, Universal Leaf Tabacos offers technical assistance to its integrated farmers. Skilled technicians oversee all stages of production, starting with the research and development of new technologies, continuing through sowing, soil preparation, transplanting of seedlings, topping and sucker control. During tobacco harvesting, technicians continue to assist farmers to guarantee the ideal ripening stage of leaves and ensure that technical recommendations for curing and drying are followed. Tobacco leaves are then separated and graded according to their position on the plant, color, and quality. Then the leaves are tied up in bundles and packed in bales. The tobacco then goes to the processing plants. During the crop purchasing period, the company is able to receive approximately 1,800 tons of tobacco per day at the Santa Cruz do Sul and Joinville processing units. Tobacco intake is controlled by an automated process developed by Universal Leaf. As soon as unloaded, tobacco is graded and purchased. The recorded data is disseminated via a computerized system to all areas involved in receiving the crop. The company processes and supplies its customers with tobacco in several forms: mechanically threshed, hand-stripped, loose-leaf, wrappers, fermented, bundled, or in other forms as requested, always complying with the standards specified by the customer. The guarantee of international quality standards in Universal's product lies in the close monitoring of the process at every stage. It is the responsibility of each employee to ensure product quality by strict observance of the operational procedures. The Quality Control Department at Universal Leaf Tobacco conducts testing to ensure that the processing results meet the specifications required by customers. Production and processing areas are supported by a modern administrative structure. To guarantee a seamless operation in all areas, Universal Leaf Tabacos invests in the education, training, safety, comfort, and welfare of its employees. Universal Leaf Tabacos is committed to sustainable development of its activities. The company continually invests to improve management of the environmental aspects of its units, minimizing impacts, planting its own trees for firewood, being self-sufficient in the use of firewood as an energy source. The company has more than 1,000 hectares of forested land and around 500 hectares of permanently preserved areas. On the properties of its integrated growers, the company provides them guidance on proper soil and water management and conservation, planting their own trees for energy use, for reforestation, and the preservation of native forests. Universal Leaf Tabacos actively participates in the development of the regions where it operates. With this objective, permanent programs and social activities are built up in areas it considers to be priorities, such as education, citizenship, environmental preservation, and social development. Among many programs that the company supports and runs, there is the Universal Leaf Citizen Program, which aims to improve the quality of life in underprivileged communities. In rural areas, the company operates through the program Growing Up Right, an initiative of the tobacco industry that develops actions aimed at protecting children and adolescents, as well as the eradication of child labor in tobacco farming. Thus, in producing a product of international quality, preserving the environment, and playing an important role in the life of the communities where it operates, Universal Leaf contributes to the sustainability of tobacco production in Brazil.